So this is the main aspect of the stuff. So how do you use this? For this demonstration, I'm just going how to fold it, and I'm going to use 3 leaves. 3 leaves. I'm going to use 3. So I want you to pay attention now. This is very important. So when you get you pick your leaves according to the sizes. This one is small. See it? This one is small. This one is smaller. This one is the biggest. So you see these big ones, they are the ones that will be at the back, while this one will hold your moi moi inside, depending on the quantity that you want to. So how do you go? Guys, look at me. You see this one now, this is the inside. This one is also the inside of this. You put it together side by side. You see my hand, side by side. Why you bring this, the one that you want to use for the inside? See how you fold it. This is the inside. Look at my hand. You fold it like this. Let me do it again. Like this. 1, like this. 2. So it's just like there is a hollow inside it. You see how the inside is. So this is how you place it, like this. Remember, the lighter green is inside, whereas this one is at the back. So when you bring this one now, the lighter is inside. You carry this thing that you folded like this, place it inside, place it at the middle. Then you use your hand like this. Bring this one here, bring this one here. So see that small one now, that small one is inside, whereas the big ones is outside. If you don't understand what I did, I will do it again. This is how to fold it. The first one, you need to bring 2 leaves. Bring this one, bring this here. Do you understand? Bring this one, bring this here. Some people used to cut off this. It depends on what you want. But for this tutorial, hold it like this. Then bring the big ones. Place it side by side. Side by side. Like this. Like this. Then you bring this one now. Put it at the center. At the center. Use your hand to fold. So where you will put your, before you put your moi moi, look at this. See the inside. This is where your moi moi will go. But if you pour your moi moi inside this leaf now, if you pour your moi moi like this, it will go off from here. Everything will pour. So to prevent it from pouring from to the floor, what you do is from here, see from here, just from here, see where my hand is. See where my hand is. From here now, you hear a sound. So listen. From here, see my hand. You just do like this. Are we following? Do you understand what I just did? You know it was like this before. It was like this before. Just from here, you pull it backwards. Pull it backwards. Let me show you. Like this. You just pull it backwards and hold it. Then this is the inside. This is the inside. You now pour your moi moi. When you pour your moi moi inside it, you fold it like this. 1, 1, 2. So let me bring the moi moi. When I bring the moi moi, the content, I will add it so that you understand. Welcome guys, I just covered everywhere. I'm back with the stock, so I want to continue from where we stopped. So in case if you didn't get the first description, this is the time for you to do what, to look again and see how you are going to get more from this. So this is the pot. I don't have enough space there. I supposed to. This is the pot. This is the content of the beans. This is the cup I'm going to use to measure, and these are my leaves by the side. So I want to show us the pot, how you arrange your pot before you start this, because you don't cook this type of moi moi like you cook with other ones. You don't cook with much water, just a little amount of water. Then you have to put the leaves under the pot. So let me show you guys how to do it. So here inside the pot, you have to put some of the leaves there, some of the leaves, the ones that are not really good enough. There is this thing that they use also to put, I've forgotten the name, but if you don't have it, use these leaves. Now this space here is where you're going to add your water inside it. I will still show us that, but this is how you arrange the bottom of the pot before you start putting your moi moi inside the leaves. So let me now show us how to put your moi moi inside the leaves. So the first step, just like I said before, you get your leaves. You get your leaves. These ones are the small leaves. So coming out from here, you have to do what? You know, this is the front. For you to know where you are going to fold, you fold this back away from the front. This is the front. This is the back. This is the back. This is the front. So for you to, how to fold this is from here, you move it backwards, like this. Then let's pour our moi moi. Then I will show you the remaining one. See my moi moi here. See the moi moi here. The final outcome of my moi moi. You see the color. I did not add any color to it. This is the effect of pepper and shombo. So in case if you think people they don't add color, if you see somebody that know what he or she is doing, they don't add color to it. So I'll have to turn again. Then use your measuring jar or your cup to put it here. Guys, you need to put it here. Don't worry, when you do it, you will see the inside. That is where I'm going to pour my moi moi now. That's where I am going to pour the moi moi. So look at it here. I will pour the moi moi. So I have to pour it like this. When you pour it inside that hole, now look at how you are going to cover it to get that shape. You see that inside, that smaller one, you first of all bend it like this with your hand. You bend it like this as if it will touch that moi moi. See my hand, it did not touch it. Then you bring this one. You bring this one this side. Bring this one to this side again. Then you fold it again towards the back. You remember that same back. You remember that back. See that one I folded first. See the one I folded first. See the second one. Just like this now. You get that shape. See the shape of that moi moi. You get this shape. So just like I'm holding it now, you place it here. So you need to be careful to arrange it very well. You place it here. Are you seeing it? So to fold, bring this inside one, pull it inside, then this like this. Just the rule about this thing is for you to know that you bring this side like this, bring this side like this. Then once you bring it, see what is remaining. This one that is remaining, you just pull it backwards so that it will meet the back of this one. It will meet it. Don't worry, it will not come out. Just like this now. Take it straight to your pot. Open it. Pour your moi moi. So you are the one that will determine the quantity of moi moi that you want to pour. So look at me again. Push it inside. Inside. 1, 2. You see that shape? Backwards. You see that shape? See the shape? Where you place on in your pot is this place, these two area. That's where you place this one down the inside. You just fold it in. Then this side 1, this side 1, this side 2. Bring it backward. You see that shape? See the shape? Straight to. Here is the moi moi in the pot. Here is the moi moi. How do you add water? By the side. I want you to look. Add water by the side. Add small water by the side. Add small water by the side. Don't worry, your mama can cover the pot like this. Use it to make sure. You see? Hey guys, this is the final outcome of the moi moi. Look at the color change. Once your moi moi is done, it will change to this. And this is how the inside is also expected to look like if you actually did it well. And the side will change like this from green to this color. Meanwhile, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you.